A discriminatory practice against nurses of St. Kitts and Nevis who studied in Cuba has officially ended, said Prime Minister Dr. Terrance Drew, who is also the Minister of Health. Speaking to the St. Kitts and Nevis news media at his August Roundtable conversation, Dr. Drew said the new Nursing Council had reversed the policy after reviewing the matter.
For the last decade or so, the nurses who studied in Cuba were denied the opportunity to become registered nurses. When you had nurses from Cuba with the same degree who were accepted as registered nurses here in St. Kitts and Nevis, while they were accepted, our own citizens who studied in Cuba were not accepted. And so recently, the Nursing Council, the new Nursing Council, took a look at the matter and they deemed that it was the right thing to get the Cuban, our citizens who graduated from the nursing programs in Cuba to be registered nurses. So I want to congratulate all the nurses thus far who have been given their rightful place in the health sector and are now registered nurses here in St. Kitts and Nevis. That injustice went on for too long. And I said that if that had not been corrected, the nurses were in a position, and even the government, to bring in a class action suit against the Nursing Council for discrimination. One group that has the exact same degree and qualifications are accepted and registered, while the other group is being told that they cannot be registered. And so that injustice over the last decade has been corrected.
While government is not obligated to compensate the affected nurses, Prime Minister Drew said government should have a look at the matter, as each of the nurses would have lost thousands of dollars over the last decade from the discriminatory practice. Glenn Belt reporting for SK Newsline.